Hello and welcome to another Coursepath tutorial. In this video we will take a look at Coursepath's role system and how to adjust permissions in your academy just as you need them. There are 6 different roles in Coursepath: Participant, Trainer, Auditor, Author, Assistant and Manager. A role can either refer to a certain course or the entire academy. Only the Manager role is available exclusively at academy level. Roles assigned at academy level are valid throughout the whole academy and all courses. In contrast, a role at course level is only valid for this specific course. To edit a member's role at academy level, click on Setup in your academy, then on Members, and finally via the gear symbol on Edit Member. Mind that this option is available for managers only. To edit a member's role at course level, within the respective course, first click on Members and then again select Members from the drop-down menu. In the settings, click on Edit Member. This second way allows editing roles not only at course level, but also at academy level. As manager or assistant, you can generally edit members. However, the different roles can be assigned and edited exclusively by managers. There is no limit on allocation of roles. Thus, there can be any number of trainers in one course, for example. It is also important to know that roles can be combined so that it is possible to tailor permissions exactly to your needs. Now let's take a look at the permissions of each role. Participant is the role with the lowest authorization level. A participant can only view course content and write messages and comments. Still, all results can be seen. The trainer role can access learning outcomes and provide feedback. That means they can write answers and make participants repeat the course if necessary. Trainers can access all reports, thus generate and evaluate them. The auditor resembles the trainer and is also situated in course management. Auditors can view course content but cannot comment on it, and unlike trainers cannot give any feedback. Like trainers, auditors can access reports. An example of an auditor would be an external examiner who cannot make any changes to the course and is merely an observer. The permissions of authors relate to creation and management of content. Access to learning outcome is not granted to authors. This allows a strict separation of course creation and evaluation. By combining roles, however, both areas of responsibility can be transferred to the same person if required. Assistants take on tasks in member management. They manage members, enrollments and course registrations. However, they cannot assign roles. For courses that are open for registration, members can enroll themselves without the need for an invitation. Members holding the manager role have unrestricted access to the entire academy, including setup and appearance. Managers also have the option to permanently delete participants. A flexible distribution of roles allows for defining tasks and responsibilities within the e-learning portal at academy level, but also individually in single courses. If members are to have multiple responsibilities, you can combine different roles. In each company, the different responsibilities and authorizations can thus be clearly defined and allocated to the right degree.